It's me again, Technology Freak. In this video, I'm going to talk about a Bluetooth powered power outlet. Um, and instead of it being on a timer, like the one I talked about earlier, you could use your phone or a tablet to turn it off or on. So yeah, it's although I'm sure that'd be more expensive than what I just talked about. Let's see. At Amazon, I found one $35. Looks like it's $10 off. So yeah, I guess they are more expensive. Um, Something like that might come in handy. Um, so yeah, nothing else to say about that. That's it for this video. Bye.